what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie. If you guys are new, in today's video I'm going to be doing a synthetic wig review on this wig that I have on right here. This is OUTRE Annie in 12 inches. Annie is an infamous wig by OUTRE. A lot of people love that wig. I actually recently just featured it on my synthetic half wig lookbook that I did. If you guys missed it, I will link it up here in the cards for you guys. Loved that wig. So when I saw that OUTRE was releasing the Annie texture and the Annie look in a bob 12 inches, I was like, yes please, add to cart. I need to try out that wig. Before we go ahead and get into the rest of this video, if you guys are new here and you are not already subscribed, hit that button down below and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. And let's go ahead and get into this wig review because I know that's why y'all are here. Like I mentioned, today's video is all about OUTRE's Annie. This is in 12 inches and I have it in a color number 2. This wig claims to have HD lace and a natural parting space with baby hairs, and it is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. The cap construction is pretty standard. With this wig, you get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. The lace is light brown and it actually blended pretty well, but you did get quite a bit of lace with this wig. They gave us a lot of lace with Kamaya as well, so I'm not sure why they're starting to give us like lace that comes down past our eyebrows. I don't know. This wig did come with baby hairs. I did not decide to utilize them, but you could if you want to. I do think that the claim is true. They do look natural. They're not super thick or anything like that. They are a little bit on the longer side, but you could always trim them down depending on how you like to style your baby hairs. If you guys are not new to my channel, y'all know I love this little tuck behind the ear moment. It just is a look for me, so I was really feeling it. So I didn't use the baby hairs, but I did go in with a comb and I just pulled out some of my edges to conceal the lace in this area, and I'm feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? I was also really impressed with this parting space. I think you get about 5 solid inches of parting space, and all I did was take my pressed powder and a little brush and I applied some powder down the part, and that was it. I don't have any Got2b glue gel or free spray holding this wig down. It is laying super flat right out the box, so I love that. Real quick, I'm gonna insert a quick 360 of this wig. This wig is asymmetrical, so the longest length is right around the face. It is a blunt cut. There are no layers in this wig. The texture is amazing. It definitely mimics a blown out kinky straight texture, and I love that. I'm not getting any shedding or tangling with this wig. Y'all, I really don't have any cons. I have a big head and it's fitting me ear to ear. I love that, y'all know. I am absolutely loving this wig. I'm so happy that I purchased it. I kind of regret not getting it in multiple colors. I was really wanting that ginger brown color, but I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, and she probably gonna be sold out, so I missed out. I really think that you guys will be very pleased with your purchase if you decide to pick up Miss Annie in this bob length. I will leave a Google link in the description bar, so make sure you check it out. You can shop around, figure out which site is offering it for the best price, and then make your purchase. I really hope she's not sold out because I really want that ginger brown color. I'm kind of like kicking myself in the butt for not purchasing it the same time that I purchased this one. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are about Miss Annie in this bob length. Are you feeling it? Are you gonna purchase or are you gonna pass? Let me know. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you found this review helpful, entertaining, or anything like that, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video and you are not already subscribed, hit the button, turn on the bell, and I will see you guys in my next upload, which will be very, very soon. Bye. I like the way you work it. Don't dig it, don't dig it. I like the way you work it.